Hi gang, I'm going to go over section 2.3 number 47. So the golden rule for analytical limits is to plug in. So if you plug in, you notice you get 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. Remember that the indeterminate form doesn't necessarily mean that there's no solution. It may mean that you have to use a technique to solve the problem. So remember what kind of techniques you have. One of them is the factoring method. Another one is the rationalization method. So this one is going to be the factoring method. So if you take out the common factor in the denominator, you'll notice that the x over x will reduce. And what that does, graphically, when you have a common factor, what that does is that creates a hole. So this is a hole, which is why when we plug in 0, we get 0 over 0, because that's sort of like a domain restriction in the problem. But since these are common factors, we can reduce it. And when we reduce it, what it does is it plugs the hole in the graph, and then we try to take the limit again. So the next time we take the limit, we get out that the limit is -1. So I ended up actually drawing this graph here. So actually I drew the original because these common factors create a hole. The reduced form fills the hole, so this is filled, and then when we plug in 0, we get this spot around here. It's approaching a height of -1 on the graph. Okay gang, that's it on number 47. Hope it helped. Bye-bye.